Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 Note notification sound issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on notifications. Now in notifications click on notification pop-up style and then click on apps to show as brief. Now from here, if you have turned off any app button, then turn it on. And after turning on all buttons, go back to settings and scroll down. And after that, click on battery and device care. Now here, scroll down and click on software update. And then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. Now after updating your mobile software, go back to settings and now click on general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset. And then scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm and then enter your lock screen password here.